Be Well has several health stations at a variety of city and school locations around Virginia Beach, making it convenient to stay on top of your health. This tutorial will show you how easy it is to check your blood pressure and weight at one of our health stations. Plus, you can earn extra Be Well points on Personify Health each week by doing so. Many of our health stations are located in a lobby or near the front entrance of the building and are easy to find. If you are unsure of where the health station is located, check in at the front desk or call Be Well for assistance. Step 1. Logging in. To log in, you will type in your Personify Health username and password. If you are unsure of these, you'll want to contact Personify Health for assistance. Step 2. Measuring your weight. Once you are logged into the health station app, you will see the option to measure your weight. Select this option. The screen will give you instructions to remove your shoes and step onto the scale. Once it has measured your weight, it will beep 3 times and the scale will read "Step off." On the iPad, you will see your weight and your progress, as well as your BMI and ideal BMI. Select the Save button to return to your health station options. Step 3. Measuring blood pressure. Select the Measure Blood Pressure option. The screen will provide instructions on how to properly put on the blood pressure cuff. When you're ready, press the Start button on the blood pressure machine. Make sure your feet are flat on the floor, you are relaxed and breathing normally and not talking to anyone. Once your blood pressure has been measured, you will see the results appear on the iPad. It will tell you if you have improved your blood pressure since the last time you checked in at a health station, and it will also tell you what the ideal blood pressure is. Select the Save button to return to your health station options. And just like that, you've earned extra Be Well points this week. Feel free to use the health station iPad to access your Personify Health account to complete your daily cards, track your healthy habits, and view your progress. Just be sure to log out of your account when you are done. You can also use the iPad to access Benefit Place, which is our benefits enrollment app from Benefit Focus, along with our other Be Well programs. Visit a health station soon. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Be Well. Keep these helpful tips in mind the next time you visit a health station for a successful blood pressure reading. Once you know your measurements, be sure to discuss any concerns you may have with your physician. Why should you measure your blood pressure? As the CDC website states, measuring your blood pressure is the only way to know whether you have high blood pressure. High blood pressure usually has no warning signs or symptoms, and many people do not know they have it. Taking steps to control your blood pressure can lower your risk for heart disease and stroke. Keeping track of your BMI over time will help you understand your weight trends and monitor your potential risk for health problems related to weight. The CDC website shares that BMI in the obesity category often indicates excess weight for height. Too much weight can increase risk for blood pressure, high cholesterol, and other chronic conditions. As always, be sure to discuss any concerns you may have with your physician. Be Well is here to help you manage your weight through our free weight management program. Check out our website for more details.